welcome back to my channel. For today's video we will be unboxing 2 July base box. So I have 2 variations of them. I want to say thank you to BoxyCharm for sending me the base box for this month. Also, I will be receiving the premium box sometime this week, or like I probably received it whenever this video is going to be out. That's coming next. I'm going to start with the big one. Since it's 2 boxes, I'm going to go as quickly as I can because I don't want this video to be super long. The theme for the month of July is fantasy. Get it? Fantasy? Anyways, it's so pretty. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do to check those pictures out. The first item that we have here is by the brand Farmacy, which I have received an item in this exact same packaging, but it was a toner and I actually really loved it, so I was pretty pumped to get this one. This is the oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. So cute, love the packaging. You got the squeezable tube. It's actually green, the same kind of green that you got on the packaging. It smells refreshing. It smells good. This is supposed to draw out any dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. I freaking love this. This little guy retails for $28. Next, we got an item by the brand Dermeflect. I actually have never heard about this brand. This is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Here's the beautiful glass bottle. So pretty. It has a nice dropper as well. The serum actually feels a little bit like on the oily side, but not sticky. Like I could feel how soft my skin was. It's like something I've never felt before. It successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. It doesn't have a scent. I love this so much. This retails for $39. Next, we have Generation Skin. This is the Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute. It's plastic, but it's so adorable and it's just perfect. So when you open this up, you have the lid, but you also have like a little spoon. This little spatula will help you separate the eye patches from one another because there are jelly. Look how jelly, it's so cute. I love the color. It's blue. It's so pretty. This actually helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Marine algae is straight from the sea, skincare savior, dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. The eye masks are so refreshing. They're so good. And it smells, I don't know how to explain the smell. Like the ocean, but in a good way. I don't know how to explain it. Freaking love this guy. This little guy retails for $49.99. Next we have, they're not in here, but these are the makeup blending sponge sets. So there's 4 here. By the brand M2U NYC. Here are my 4 sponges. These are the ones that I actually wet. These I used dry for powders. They got super huge. So the first one here we have is a baby pink one. It reminds me exactly like the Real Techniques ones. It's just a different color. It has that same cut at the bottom and the taperedness at the top and rounded from the sides. Now the next one, which is the baby blue, is exactly like the NYX sponge. It's just the NYX one is black, but it has the same cutting edges at the top, on the belly, and it's rounded on one side. And I believe the NYX one at the bottom is flat and this one is just rounded. It's just it has like the wrinkle of the plastic on it. The third sponge is the lavender. It's still kind of pink, but it's more like lavendery compared to the baby pink one. They're so soft, and once you wet it, it's even softer. This one is exactly like the Beauty Blender where it's completely round at the bottom and it's tapered at the top. The last one is the actual color of the Real Technique ones, but it's not the shape. So this shape is like an 8. It has like a little bit of a itty bitty waist and it's tapered at the top with a small flat side at the top and a rounded bottom. It's so pretty. I really love this. I actually use this for my creams. For my blush I use the bottom, and for my highlighter I use that little flat side. It also got big and they're both soft. I actually didn't wet these 2. I feel like they're gonna be the same. They're gonna be super soft. This set retails for $20. And the last item in the box is a brow pencil. This is by the brand Billion Dollar Brows, which I have received previously. This is the micro brow pencil in the shade Taupe. This pencil actually reminds me of the NYX one. It has a spoolie. It's a smaller spoolie than I'm used to, but it works. It does the job. And on the other side is the brow pencil. It's a mechanical pencil, so you have to twist the product to get the product. I love how thin it is because it actually gives you that precision. It actually looks pretty good. Surprisingly, it matches my brow. It's actually a good color. This little guy retails for $16. And that was everything that we got in this variation of the July base box. Now I'm gonna open this little one. So again, it's the same theme, but different products. The first item, which I am finally happy that I got it. I've always wanted to try them, and I finally got the Hydrating Complexion Trio Palette by Alamar Cosmetics. The packaging on this is amazing. The detail on it is so pretty. We have a nice size mirror in there, very compact. You have I'm Woke, Soltera, and Always Summer. This is your highlighter, your bronzer, and your deepener. I didn't want to add it under my eyes because it felt like it was gonna flash back. I'm not sure if it's gonna do it. It looks pretty white to me. It actually says to use the brightening shade to illuminate under your eyes. So I could do that right now. I'm gonna grab my blending brush and I'm just gonna brighten my under eye. I did use my regular translucent powder. I mean, it definitely did brought light under my eyes. So the shades are really beautiful, and I actually use these on my eyes. This little guy retails for $25. Next, we have an item by the Lifestyle Co. Los Angeles. This is the Detox Hair Serum, Nutrient Plant Scalp Treatment. So I actually did apply it on my scalp, and it does not look oily. It's in a glass bottle, which I love, with the droppers. I'm such a fan of that. The one thing I'm not a fan of is the smell. It does have a lot of oils in there, and I don't know what I'm smelling. It does have neem oil, conditions your scalp and reduces dandruff. It has argan oil, which supports and strengthens hair follicles. Almond oil, soothe flaking and itching of the scalp. It also does leave your hair shiny and smooth. This little guy retails for $79. Next, we have an item by the brand Mud Musky. This is a vitamin-infused eye serum. It reduces dark circles, moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. Anything for my under eye is welcoming. It will keep it from getting wrinkled. My under eye has suffered a lot because of my allergies. Well, yeah, I look for anything that will calm it down. And also, I have really dark circles. So, yes to this. It's a very light serum. It almost feels like water in a squeezy tube. I really love the feeling. It does say it's fragrance free. This little guy retails for $63. Next, we have a cute, super cute item by the brand Algae. I hope I'm saying that right. This is the Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen, Makeup Mauve. It's such a cute pen. My dad used to have tons of these pens. Ones that have every color, red, green, black, blue. You get in this pencil an eyeliner in black, a highlighter in champagne, a lip pencil in mauve, and you get a brow pencil in coffee brown. This is like your go-to pen for touch-ups. The eyeliner is actually a nice black. I just didn't want to put it in my waterline because I am wearing my contact lenses and I know my eyes are very darn sensitive. So I'm not risking in putting anything in my waterline. The highlighter is so beautiful. I do have to say it is very sparkly, but again, it's quick touch-ups. I also used it in my inner corner, as you can see some specks of sparkles there. The lip liner I used to fill my entire lips, and it's such a pretty mauve. I freaking love the color. It's so beautiful. I actually did use the brow pencil and I used it for this eyebrow. It looks very, very nice. Compared to this one, I believe this brown is a lot warmer than this one, but I don't think you can tell. But I feel like this is definitely cooler, taupier, and this is more on the warm tone side. I actually like both. When you do press down on the shade, you want to make sure and twist to get the product out. This cute little pencil retails for $25. And the last item that we have in this box is by the brand Bella Pierre, and it's a liquid eyeliner. It is a jet black liner with a flexible tapered tip, perfect for thin strokes or bold lines. Long-lasting formula, dries quickly for a beautiful matte finish. I do see that it's kind of glossy. It's actually pretty thin. It's kind of like a felt tip liner and a liquid liner put together. So you get the liquid liner part and the brush tip is actually like a felt tip liner. It's actually pretty good. I've never used this type of eyeliner. This little guy retails for $20. And that was everything that we got in this second variation of the July box. My favorite item for the first variation box was the Generation Skin. This is a must for me. I love this. I actually started using it before I even got around to film this. And in the second variation, I gotta say that my favorite item has got to be the Hydrating Complexion Trio Palette by Alamar. So these two are my favorite items. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite item in each of these two boxes. Now we're heading into the total value of each of the boxes. So the first box, which was the bigger box, this one's total value actually was $152.99. And the other one's value is $212. But if you're subscribed to BoxyCharm, you would get any of these boxes or any other variation for only $25 per month. Just a reminder that in the base box, you get 5 full-size items, you get customization, access to the add-ons, access to the pop-up store online, and you get rewards. That completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to let me know your favorite item of each box in the comments down below. And stay tuned for that premium box unboxing. I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!